Listening practice, exercise 1. Listen to track 18 about physical description and repeat the reading out loud. My family is great. I live with my family. I am short. I am well built. I am smart. I have 2 siblings. My brother is 15 years old. He is very young. He is tall. He is chubby. My sister is young too. She is 17 years old. She is short. She is slim. She is beautiful. My father is 60 years old. He is old. He is tall. He is thin. He is quite friendly. My mother is 59. She is responsible. She is short. She is plump. My parents aren't bossy. They are quite affectionate. We are happy when we are together. I have short, wavy blonde hair. I wear glasses. I have a beard. I have light brown eyes. My brother has short, straight brown hair. He doesn't wear glasses. He has big ears. He has dark brown eyes. My sister has big, round blue eyes. She has long, straight hair. My father doesn't have hair. He's bald. He has small, green eyes. My mother has long, cold black hair. She wears glasses. She has freckles. She has small, dark brown eyes.